In Java, you can use the math class for the mathematical operations. Math from java.lang.math. From here, let's import this package. And math. And now let's look at the useful functions of this class. So the first useful function is math.random. We can get by this function the random number from 0 to 1. Let's S out math.random. Run our program. And we can see some random number, double number from 0 to 1. So if we need to get a random number from 0 to 1000, for example, you must multiplicate by 1000. Run our program. And we can get the next result. And if we need only int value without fractional part, we can round this value with a method round from the same method math, or the same class math. Math.round. Round and so double. Here we specify this value, double value, round and run our program. And we can get the int value. This is through using the round method. Math.round. Run our program again, and we can see that after math random invoke, we can get this number, and after round, we can get this number. Oh, this is different numbers. And run it again. But we can save some random value in variable. Some double value. This is some double value. And multiplicate this value by 1000 to get a random number from 0 to 1000, and round this value. Forget this value without fractional part. So we can see the next value, and after round we can get 1. And multiplicate here too. Yes, that's right. This value with fractional part, and after invoking round, this value without fractional part after rounding. So next, to extract the square root, there is the sqrt method from this method math.sqrt. For example, the square root of 64 is 8, and we need to print this value. Run it again. Yes, 8. For example, square root from 16 is 4. Yes, that's right. And reverse operation, raising to some power. For this we use power method. For example, 4 in 2 power, 4 squared, if we print it, we must get the 16 value. 4 squared. 16, yes, that's right. 4 squared. For example, 8 squared, we must get 64. Yes, 64. That's right. Also, we can cast it to int without fractional part. Like this. Yes, 64. Or other powers. For example, 2 to the 4th power. It must be the 16. Okay, this is 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 4 times. Yes, it will be 16. That's right. Math.absolute. For example, let's imagine that we have a negative number, but we need also positive numbers. So we can use a math abs like this. Math absolute value and any number. For example, -4. L, capital L. Difference from 1, 0, 1 letter. Run our program, and -4 becomes only 4, +4. It's through this absolute method. And also the popular using this class is calculating max value and mean value. Like this. Math and max from two numbers. Max value from 4 and 8. The max value will be 8. And the mean value of these two values will be the 4, because 4 less than 8, and max value is 8 because 8 more than 4. Also, class math has other useful functions like arctangents, sinus, cosinus for scaling, divide, extract, decrement, excrement, floor mode. This is round by float, and sinus, cosinus, and etc. And also we can get the constant value of p and the constant value of e. Euler's value, Euler's number. Now the task is for you. Try to call the methods of this class, of this math class, from the Kotlin file. The possible solution: new Kotlin file main, and math dot random, for example, from number constant p. Oh, it's random, it's not round. If we need to round, we need to use round method. Okay, and print the result. We can get the correct result. Good job, see you in the next